is Maria Mesa Cadena. In this video, we'll talk about the experience of companion Diana Osorio. I think that the metaphor chosen by the companion Diana Osorio is what is interpreted as artist, what allows to connect with our soul and is what makes us more human. Regarding her story of falling in love at the age of 16, something that happens a lot to you women. Also in the case of Diana, it was her immaturity that brought her serious consequences in her life that she later managed to overcome by retaking the ways of good. Regarding the use of past tenses, grammatical rules, and spelling correction, I think they were appropriate because they give meaning and coherence to the text, allowing the reader to interpret the main message that is to be conveyed. While is in relation to coherence, it could be said that the narration of her experience with the select metaphor was very coherent, since they are related to each other. It could also be said that she failed to mention the metaphor when writing is about her life experience, and finally, when she expresses that she made a serious mistake in her life by falling in love. Because I think that is not the case. Rather, I think that falling in love is a natural process of life. The important thing is that those negative experiences that the partner had helping her to grow and strengthen as a human being. I decided to choose Diana's experience because it has a bit of relationship with my life experience. Also, we both had to live different experiences, but in the end they make us better human beings. Thank you very much for your attention.